With each quarter piece, you're just gonna ball that up into a nice little bite-sized piece, just like so, and you're gonna do that with all of that biscuit dough. All right, you guys, once you have all those pieces of biscuits shaped into nice little bite-sized balls, you are going to come over here to your boiling water, grab yourself a little bit of baking soda, and very gradually, you're just gonna start to put this baking soda into the water. Now, it will start to bubble up, so you wanna do it nice and slow. If you guys love hot pretzels as much as I do, then you are going to thank me for this easy trick. All right, look at that. Wow, science, how cool. Once you have that baking soda in there, you want to take your little balls and we're just going to place them all into this boiling baking soda water, you guys. You want these pieces of dough to sit in the water for about 30 seconds. So I'm just gonna quickly go through, pop these in here, 30 seconds, and we'll move on. Oh, look at that. It's almost like they're growing and they're getting fluffier. Perfect. Once they've been in there for 30 seconds, we're going to start to really carefully come in and we're gonna grab them out and place them right on our baking sheet. So you just wanna very nice and carefully grab out those balls that just have been sitting in that baking soda boiling water for 30 seconds and go ahead and transfer them right over to your baking sheet. Once you have those on your baking sheet, grab yourself some melted butter and we are going to lather these bad boys up in butter, you guys. And when I say that these are gonna blow your mind, I'm literally not kidding. I don't know what happens when the dough gets put in the baking soda, but these are gonna come out just like hot pretzel bites and they are gonna blow your mind. How easy is this? You probably have baking soda around at the house. Just need yourself a can of biscuits, a little bit of butter, and we are moving right along. You can see I'm just kind of tapping this on here. If the butter drips off, I'm okay with that because I want these to be nice and buttery and golden brown on top. That's just the way I like it. Now, of course, I have a little bit of thick salt here that I'm gonna put right on top. Now, I just have some coarse granulated sea salt and that's what I'm rolling with. But of course, if you just happen to have some pretzel salt on hand, that would be fabulous too. But beggars can't be choosers, and this is just fine. This will definitely get the job done. Okay, you guys, once you have those bad boys salted up, we're just gonna pop them in the oven at 350. We're gonna cook them for 12 to 15 minutes, and stick around because you are gonna love these things. They're gonna be your new favorite, I swear. Our easy pretzel bites are almost done, and I just so happen to have some nacho cheese, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into a dish and warm that up a little bit so it's ready to go with our pretzels. But you know what? I wanna know, what do you love your pretzels with? Is it nacho cheese, cream cheese? I don't know, you tell me. Chocolate? Oh, that's a good choice too. Our pretzel bites are done and they look absolutely fabulous. I'm gonna bring over my plate that we warmed that cheese up on. Oh my gosh, these look buttery and delicious. You know, I'm just gonna use my clean hands here to set these down. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they look like pretzels. Oh, these are gonna be so good. Oh my gosh. You guys, if I go to the mall or if I go shopping or if I go do something, one thing I have to have, a hot pretzel. Are you the same way or is that just me? I swear. And they smell just like hot pretzels too. This is so exciting. How did that happen? How did that happen with the baking soda? I don't know. All right, let's dip it in the cheese. It's a little hot still. Are you serious? Oh my God. Wow, spot on. Look at this. It's just like a pretzel. It literally tastes just like a hot pretzel. You guys, you need to get on this. 100% nailed this. How easy was that? Baking soda to the water, put the biscuits in, bam. A little dipping sauce if you want, not needed, but hey, we nailed this. All right, you guys, enjoy. Let me know what you think. We'll see you later.